Okay, you're over 50 years old and you dream about being able to sit at the piano and just let music flow from your fingers and from your heart. No reading dots and learning scales and difficult exercises, that sort of thing. Just playing music. You're not alone. I get people saying to me all the time that, in fact, there's three things people say. The first is oh, it's too late for me, I'm too old. You're not. Your brain is actually just waiting for something like this. Playing the piano, there's something about it. It makes you think, makes your brain work really hard because you're thinking of melodies and harmonies and that sort of thing and moving your fingers. It's making everything work together, making both sides of your brain work. So it makes you think without realizing that you're thinking, which is so good for that muscle in there, for helping your brain to keep you switched on and alive. It'll help you stay young, basically. So that's the first thing. It's not too late and you're not too old. The second thing, people say, whoa, well, I'm not really musical. I couldn't learn to read. I can't read music. I can't. Rubbish. If you can hear a tune and recognize it, if you can recognize a tune, you could learn to play it. I'm telling you that. Imagine being able to do this, right? I'll just show you this. It's so simple. It's using 3 fingers. Imagine that. It's simple. If you can hear music, you can play it. It's as simple as that. I could show you how. The third thing I get is, oh, I'll probably give up. I've tried before. I've tried learning before. It's too difficult. When you start to really make some music, right from the day one when you first sit down at the piano, you won't want to stop. In fact, quite the reverse. You'll want to do it more and more and more. So, if you would like to learn to play the piano in a simple, intuitive way that just gives you joy from day one, give Rebel Piano a try. Imagine just you, your ears and your hands, and that fantastic feeling when the music just clicks. Yeah.